My name is Aakash, and I'm here to present my solution on Techsurf problem statement 2, which is smart embedding based search application for the content stack. And here is my solution and content stack news platform. This is a full stack application that builds to fetch, manage, and display news from multiple sources in a smart and organized way. And the key component which make my project unique is a semantic searches. So finding relevant news is much faster and more accurate. So why this project? This is well known that news is everywhere, but it is multiple websites, API and platform. So it's gets little tricky to get results. So here's my solution where this platform comes in the centralize everything in one place, keep it updates, and automatically make searches smarter with AI powered suggestions. So let's start with the backend. Here is the backend file. The backend starts with the index.js, where as you see there is a multiple routes are there, which provided the different kind of results from queries. So here's the search query. It's get to the one query and return the results. And this method here, this is a pre-trained model that embed the data, and this is a vector search index name. It's provided by MongoDB Altas vector, and this is the webhooks that automatically updates the MongoDB when the content stack when the entry get it into the content stack. So the it's also uses the pre-trained models to embed it, and as you see there's a news model, and at the last there's an embedding which uses a vector. This vector uses the numerical values and store the embeddings. And at the next slide you see this is another backend which help us to get the newses from a news API and put those newses in the content stack. So our application firstly get news from content stack from news API, put in a content stack, and then embed it and put it on the MongoDB. Here's the front-end overview. This is the layout.txt file, which is initial file, and as you see, it is a TypeScript based, and there's a here.tsx which is provided a sample like overview image, and then the live feed. It uses the different categories and provided the latest updated news in our MongoDB with particular categories or timelines. After that, we added a sidebar section which is also provide the filtrations on the searching images. This is an advanced thing which helps us to make our application good. So here's the content stack. So basically this is our account page, and after that firstly we see the content type here by getting those entries details like what attributes are here and what kind of these, and after that we see all the entries provided by our applications. Here are the latest entries which provided to our applications. This is all the content type of this are news with that with those fields which are previously saw. And here's the backend, backend MongoDB. So as you see here, there's attributes and like author, categories, created, upgrade, descriptions, contents, and after C there's the embedding here, as we saw in backend part. So this embedding stores the numerical values which given by the pre-trained models. This is a key component which help us to search the results for our front-end application. And also we uses the one more component which is the webhooks. So webhook are basically provided the functionality when we put our entry to the content stack. It embed it and we and again store it to the MongoDB. And this is that webhook file as I told previously. This is uses a vector search index to embed there. So let's go into the front end. So here's the welcome page, and after that we see the live feeding keep updated after every 10 seconds. And let's refresh it. So you see again the live feeds are updated, and we search to one point, and also we have a different tags here like previously told for the filters. So we get to the multiple results based on the tags, and if I clean it, then we get all the results here. And once we click on that, we get to a slider, and when I click on that, we got to a full page like get the complete news over there with different windows. So we not just get the title, we get the complete news with the actual source and a time. So summarize this. The ContentStack news platform provides a dynamic news fetching and AI-powered semantic search. This project demonstrates my understanding of a full-stack development, CMS, integration, and AI-powered search. So thank you for the watching this video. I hope you get the proper results. The GitHub links are provided in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video.